In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Roblox gift card. So for those people who do not know Roblox, basically Roblox is a game. So if you guys are above 3 plus or like above 5, then you guys can easily play Roblox. You guys can, download Roblox as well. It's a free game. And remember, if you guys have like a Roblox gift card, if you redeem it, you guys can basically buy in-game stuff which is available in Roblox. So basically the in-game currency of Roblox is Robux. And by redeeming the Roblox gift card, you guys are going to get Robux, which you guys can use it in-game, alright? So that's the basic, reason of why you need a gift card in Roblox. So let me show you guys how you guys can buy Roblox gift card in Roblox. Now before moving forward from over here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox. After you do that, you want to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you want to click on this three line. Once you click on this three line, you want to click on where it says gift card. Once you click on gift card, it's going to take you to the gift card section. Over here, you want to click on buy a gift card. Once you click on buy a gift card, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can buy a gift card, alright? Basically, it's pretty simple. If you want to send this gift card to your friend as a gift, you want to, fill the, a friend section. But if you want to send the gift card to yourself, you want to go on for me. Once you go on for me, you want to click on pick a gift card. Once you're over here, it's going to ask you which currency you want to use to, buy the gift card. So I want to use USD, which means US dollars. So I click on USD. And if you guys want a physical card, you can scroll a bit down and click on send a physical card. But I don't want a physical card. I want a digital card. So I want to click on send a digital card. Once I click on it, wait for some time. Over here, you just need to choose like, what type of card you want to choose, like featured, all occasion, or some kind. So I want to go with featured. And I want to choose this over here where it says happy birthday. After you do that, you want to click on how much. After you do that, you want to enter the amount you want in the gift card. I want a $50 gift card. So I'm going to click on 50. Once I click on 50, I scroll a bit down. I enter the quantity. I want one quantity. I click on add a card. Once you're over here, you want to scroll a bit down and click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, it's going to ask you for a payment detail. After filling up your payment detail, basically your card will be purchased. That's basically how you guys can buy Roblox gift card. Hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel 1 to step, and bye-bye.